Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I actually made this little hamstery guinea pig little guy. I think he's so cute and he's so small and I love him so much. I love it so much. So anyway, I'm just going to show you exactly how I made this little guy. I know he's completely different from my recent DIYs, but I made him today because I felt like making a little word hamster. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video. So the fabric that I used on this plush was this kind of patchwork faux fur kind of material that I had left over in my drawers for some reason. Like, I have a lot of fabric, but this was the one that I chose to use today. I think you can get it on eBay by just typing in patchwork faux fur. But yeah, what I did was I kind of cut it into 3 rectangles and then I drew out an oval shape and I just sewed around that with my sewing machine. I will leave you with my real-time kind of voiceover now instead of this one. I just wanted to kind of explain the fabric and where you can get it from. Okay, so now I've sewn around all of that bit. I'm just going to cut off all of the excess just around that shape. Once all the excess is cut off, I'm then just going to put in some little snips and this will help it turn the other way around. Once I have all the little snips in, I'm then just going to turn this shape the right side way around, just to kind of look at it, see what we're working with. Okay, so it kind of looks like a little guinea pig, doesn't it? I wanted it to be a hamster, maybe it's going to turn into a guinea pig. Who knows? We will see. This is going to be my front side because I just love the light colours on that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn those bits inside and I'm going to stuff up the shape with some toy stuffing. I'm going to make sure to like really press in there and make sure like it fattens up so that it's not just like a long fluffy tube. Okay, so now that the shape is completely stuffed, just look at this. This already looks like a hamster. What is going on? Or a baby guinea pig. Not sure what it's going to be yet, but it's going to be something and it's going to be so cute. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put an oval shape on the bottom. I would usually kind of seal that up, but I actually want the shape to be quite fat and cute looking. So yeah, that's where the third part comes in that I cut off. I'm just going to cut that down to kind of size and then make a nice oval shape, but a bit bigger than what I want so that we have a bit of excess to kind of tuck under and create a nice hem. Okay, so I just realized that I need to put the eyes on, so I'm going to be using toy safety eyes, so I'm going to do that right now before I seal up the bottom. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut 2 little holes where I want the eyes to be. I'm going to have one about there. Just going to poke the eye through that hole. As you can see, it goes in quite nicely. I can get to the back of it just by turning it inside out there, and I'm just going to put a washer on the back and do the same with the other eye. Okay, so now that I've got both eyes on, what I'm actually going to do is cut some of the fuzz around the eyes. Like, I've just cut this one and you can see like the difference, that you can actually see it a bit better. Just gonna, just this bit, because I do want it to look kind of a bit fuzzy and a bit derpy, so it needs a lot of fuzz, but I do want to be able to see the eyes a bit better. There we go, look at it, it's so cute. Okay, yeah, so as I was saying, with this little kind of oval part, I'm just going to pop it on and fold over the edges and sew it down, sealing all the kind of fuzz, because if you leave it like that, you'll have this bit and it will then start to melt, you see? So you just want to fold that over to capture it all in. I'm going to do that all the way around and I'll be back kind of then, I suppose. Yeah, just simple stitches, stitching all the way around. Okay, I'll be back. So now that the bottom is in place, I figured it's really fluffy. I probably could have done with putting some short plush on it, so I'm just going to make it into a short plush by cutting all the fur. Ooh, look at all these colours. I'm just going to cut it all down so it looks like it's been like scurrying around on its belly. Look at this, it's so cute. Okay, so I have some, oh, should move all that fluff out of the way. I have some of this pink felt and I think this would work perfectly for little feet, so I'm just going to cut some out. What do guinea pigs or hamsters' feet look like? I think they just like little paws or something, right? Should I give them toes? Yeah, I should give them little toes. Oh my goodness. Should I just give them 3? Yeah. 3, and I'm gonna round that off at the back. Round it off just like that. That's gonna do for my little feet. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, yes. Okay, so I need 3 more of those. So got my 4 little feet, there they are, and I'm gonna take a hot glue gun and just hot glue them on, because is it really a Chelsea DIY without some hot glue? Because apparently I am obsessed. A bit stringy. So I've got the little guinea pig guy. I still don't know what to call him. Still don't know if he's a guinea pig or a hamster, but yeah, just gonna put a little dot. Actually, I'm gonna put a big dot of hot glue because we really don't want to lose it. Just go and pop it on there. Okay, look at this. Okay, this is so cute. It definitely needs some little ears. I think guinea pigs have ears, but I found this like really kind of browny, kind of similar felt. This is actually a wool felt again, but what I thought I would do is just kind of make some ear shapes. I don't know what their ears look like, but something like that. Maybe fold it over. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. I think maybe it needs some pink on the inside, so maybe I'll do that as well. Yeah, that's slightly smaller. Gonna get some pink, and then I'm gonna make a smaller version of that to stick on the inside, just to give it a bit of extra color. I'm just gonna use the same one that I used on the feet. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna hot glue that onto there again, just with a small bit this time. Here we go. And then just, oh, pop that on the middle. That does the inner ear. There we go. I might actually sew that on. Do I think, yeah, I'm gonna sew it on because I think that will be easier. Needle in one side like that, and I'm gonna put it in the other side, kind of like that, making a stitch. And then hopefully it should fold down once we, yeah, pull it down like that. Do you see? I'm just gonna fold it inwards just like that, and I'm just gonna kind of stitch it downwards so that a loop of stitches is going around the whole entirety of the ear so that it kind of keeps it folded down. I cannot get over this. This is the cutest thing I've ever flipping seen. It's just so cute. I'm just gonna put about like 10, maybe 20 stitches over that to really secure it in, and then I'll go and do the other one off camera so I don't take up too much of your time. So now that he's complete and all completely done, I think he just looks so cute. But the thing is, I know that Roman, my dog, will absolutely love this little guy. He would just love to have him. The ears are really secure. There's like no moving them. The eyes are properly in there, and then the feet are just like hot glued on anyway. So I think it's, yeah, look, it's just completely molded to that. They're not going anywhere. So I'm gonna bring this to Roman and see what he thinks of it, because I think he will love it. And yeah, I will take you along with me, don't you worry. But anyway, I just want to say a huge thank you if you're still watching. If you are, please do give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't want to see Roman have him, then just shut off now, because that's what I'm going to do. But if you do shut off now, then I hope to see you in tomorrow's video anyway. So yeah, bye. Roman, come here. Sit. Do you want to see what I've got you? Are you, Roman, sit. Romy, sit. Ready? Are you ready to see this? Look. What is it? Do you love it? Do you love it? What do you think? Roman, come here. Roman, what have you got? What is it? What have you got? Do you love him? Do you love him? Let me see. Come here. Show me what you have. What have you got? Come here. Yeah. What have you got? Do you like it? Do you like him? Come here. Come here. Roman, come here. Can I see? Let me see. Here. Oh, there's no getting him back. Who's your new friend? That's a new friend. Don't chew his feet off. Chew your feet off. Chew your feet off.